what helps to break down test questions? An ABC chart. Being a behavior analyst means looking at how the environment impacts behavior. ABA principles and interventions are directly related to this. So what better way to break it all down than to ABC it? If you have a test question in which you need to discriminate between prompts and SDs and MOs, punishment and extinction, positive or negative reinforcement and punishment, operant versus respondent, etc., try plugging the scenario information into an ABC chart. Let's review a few details. In the A column, we will have our MOs or SDs, prompts, unconditioned and neutral and conditioned stimuli. In the B column, we have the behavior, no duh. And in the C column, a literal description of what followed the behavior. Step 1, first and foremost, identify the behavior of interest. That means column B is first. There's always a behavior of interest. And if you don't identify that correctly, your chances of getting the correct answer are slim. Next, step 2, identify if there was a consequence that followed that behavior. If not, then maybe it's respondent behavior or conditioning. Once you identify the consequence, if it's a reinforcer, then you're immediately informed of the EO. This is a state of deprivation. So step 3, whatever the reinforcer is, the EO is deprivation of that thing, whatever is in column C. Once you know what is being deprived, step 4, you can now identify the SD. Like if you're deprived of water, what signals water? A faucet, a water bottle. The SD signals the thing you are deprived of and lets you know what behavior is needed to contact the thing you're deprived of, which happens to be the reinforcer. So make sure that once you've filled out the whole chart, the MO, SD, behavior, and consequence, that they all go together. In this same way, you can assess if the thing that follows the behavior is something added or removed. And then you can assess if the behavior in the B column increased or decreased. By plugging this info into the ABC chart, everything becomes a lot more clear. I use this method when I go through practice tests with my big exam prep workshop students, and it has helped so many of them make fewer assumptions and therefore fewer mistakes when it comes to discriminating between all of these different variables. Try it and let me know how it goes.